again to my YouTube channel. Today, let's unbox this bag from Orla. I bought this one in the airport of Italy. So, sabat, mayroon siyang, pwede mo lagyan ng something card or, and then, ganyan lang siya. Open, and then, so mayroon siyang sling bag actually. Pwede mo siyang i-double. Wait, ano natin yun. So simple. And then, pwede mo siyang lock. Pwede mo siyang iganyan. So, pwede mo din siyang iganyan kung ano lang siya pag pang drive, mag-drive ka or mag-city ka, ganyan. Pag pang party, so ganyan mo lang siya. Pwede mo siya lagyan ng something, ribbon or parang tie. Mayroon sila pero hindi ko na yun binili kasi parang mahal na siya. Ganyan lang. So, thank you so much for watching, guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye!